Okay, hi guys, it's Richard Love Brewing. Just thought I'd tell you about our limited edition St George's IPA. Absolutely super. It's a special edition one we've done. Once it's gone, so take advantage while you can. Let me just run through what's in it. Oh, by the way, we're looking at the 23rd of April being St George's Day. So it's giving you a couple of weeks to get it all on the go and get it matured, and it'll all be lovely for the 23rd. So let's have a little look, see what we've got. We've got our usual big bagger pouch. This is the IPA pouch, 3 kilos in here, all lovely, beautiful quality malt. So that's our starting point. Don't forget we want to just soak that in a little bit of hot water before we pour it into our bucket. That just loosens up the malt, makes it much easier to pour it out. We've also got a 1.2 kilo of light malt extract. Again, just malt in this. No hops, no nothing, just the light malt extract. So that's going to go in as well. Again, helps if we stand it in the old hot water, the pouch, just to make sure that we've got that nicely softened, ready for pouring. What else have we got? Yes, we've got the old hops, St George's hops. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's in this because we've got 3 different hops in here and they really make it quite special. So you're going to have a little bit of guesswork on that one, but the hops are really, really top quality. We've got 50 grams of them in there. That goes in, don't forget, after day 5, and we leave it for 5 days. So day 10, we've finished the actual fermentation. So we've got 150 grams of priming sugar. Don't forget that goes in at the end. We're going to dissolve that in 350 mils of water. Full instructions on the front. Obviously full instructions inside the kit. And the most important thing, the yeast. This is a 10 gram bitter yeast that we're going to use on it. Proper quality yeast, because you know how much we love the quality yeasts on all our beer kits. They absolutely make them. So we've got the quality yeast again, which goes in at the start of fermentation. And one final thing in the kit, we've got the little bag which goes over the siphon tube, so that when we're actually drawing the beer out of our bucket, either into our barrels or our bottles, we make sure we don't get any of the hops with it. So that's the final thing that goes in it. And obviously the RB special instructions. So the instructions give you full idea on how to make it and what to do with it. And there you go. That's the St George's Bitter. Don't forget to subscribe.